Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Kung sino pa ang kadugo, sila pa ang magbababa sa iyo. Kung sino pa ang kadugo, sila pa ang maninira sa iyo. Kung sino pa ang kadugo, sila pa ang hindi magtatrato sa iyo ng totoo. Isa po yan sa mga katotohanan na dapat nating tandaan. At sana ay maiwasan. At sana hindi maranasan. Hindi ko alam kung kayo po, no, kung meron na po ba kayong mga experiences ng mga sarili ninyong kadugo, sila pa ang gumawa sa inyo ng hindi maganda. No? At times, being related by blood doesn't assure real love. No? Being related by blood doesn't assure real love. So in our readings today, we see two different kinds of treatment a person would experience from people around him, even people close to him. In our first reading, we heard the death of Saul and his son Jonathan. But there's one person who greatly mourned their death, and that is David. They are not related by blood. They are not related by blood. But he treated them not only as someone distant, but as a family. Hindi man sila magkadugo, trinato nila ang isa't isa bilang pamilya. David even considered and loved Jonathan as a real brother. As a real brother. Hindi naging hadlang ang kanilang dugo para sa kanilang pagtrato bilang kapatid sa isa't isa. But in the gospel, we heard a different kind of treatment. Jesus' relative, who are related to him, taught him to be out of his mind. His own kin doesn't understand him and his mission. Kung sino pa yung kapamilya, siya pa ang hindi nakaunawa. Mahirap man tanggapin, pero minsan, kung sino pa ang kadugo, sila pa ang hindi maganda magtrato. This should also remind us of our call to treat people with love and kindness, whether we are related to them by blood or not. Hindi dapat diktahan ng dugo ang puso. Hindi dapat diktahan ng dugo ang puso. And we should ask ourselves, no, how do you treat others? Whether related to you by blood or not. Kamusta ang iyong pakikipagtrato o pagtrato mo sa ibang tao, lalong-lalo na sa mga kapamilya at kamag-anak mo. Baka ikaw na nga yung kadugo, ikaw na nga yung kapamilya, baka ikaw pa yung hindi magandang magtrato sa kanila. Or kung sakasakali man, tayo na nakakaranas ng hindi magandang pagtrato sa mismong kadugo at kapamilya, paano naman natin sila tatatuhin bilang pamilya? Dear friends, kindness and love knows no bounds, even by blood. Amen.